Okay, good morning everyone. Today I will read the presentation about endangered animal success stories. Fluency practice. Time yourself as you read through the passage. Write down your time, then answer the question on page 64. After answering the question, correct your response and write down your score. Record your performance on the reading chart on page 240. Animal success stories. In 1973, the United States government passed into law the Endangered Species Act (ESA). Its three major goals were: 1. To protect plants and animals from extinction by listing them as endangered. 2. To preserve the habitat of these species. 3. To help populations of these species recover. Because of these conservation efforts, many animals have been brought back from near extinction. Here are three such success stories. Bald eagle. It is fitting that we begin with the story of the bald eagle, the national symbol of the United States. There was an abundance of bald eagles in North America before the arrival of Europeans, numbering an estimated half million birds. By 1963, however, the population had dropped to fewer than 1,000. Hunting was certainly a major factor in this decline, as was the destruction of habitat. But the biggest factor was DDT, a chemical widely used in excess price. It had damaging effects on eagles' eggs, making their cells so that they broke easily and export the frail baby birds inside which died soon after. The 1972 ban on DDT was the single most important factor in the revival of the bald eagle. The list as an endangered species gave the birds additional protection. Both eagle populations are now carefully monitored, and baby eagles are raised under human protection later to be released into the wild. Thanks to these efforts, the number of eagles in the United States has grown markedly, and the birds can be seen in many national parks. In August 2007, both eagles were removed from the ESA list. Grizzly bear. Another flagging symbol of North American wildlife is the grizzly bear. Before the Europeans arrived, more than 50,000 grizzlies wandered the American West. Today, due to hunting and habitat destruction, the number is closer to 1,000. Furthermore, because grizzly bears have babies at a very slow rate, it takes many years for the population to grow. Most the grizzly bears in the United States, excluding, live in Yellowstone and Glacier National Parks. and grizzlies are still protected by the ESA. Hunting them is illegal. As their population grows, it becomes very important to prevent encounters between human and birds. 20 to 40 birds are killed each year to protect the safety humans. People living in grizzly bear habitats are encouraged not to leave garbage lying around in case bears are used to the smell, and parks put up sign warning people not to stray off the path. Visitors are also warned not to alarm any birds they encounter. Grey wolf. Finally, the grey or timber wolf story is one of the most compelling tales of American wildlife, traditional and soon become because people fear them and consider them peaceful. Killing livestock, grey wolves have been shot, trapped, and poisoned even in nature reserve. By the time the grey wolf was declared a protected species in 1973, only 100 remain in small pockets of the country. Today, the gray wolf population has been revived in some of its former habitats like Yellowstone National Park due to strong conservation efforts. They have also turning to places like Washington and Idaho. The gray wolf is now listed as a species of list concerned by EUCN. In 2006, the United States government declared 911 to be endangered species die or die default to raising awareness of danger species with such positive step toward educating people on the importance of conservation. There's reason to be optimistic about the future of endangered animals in the USA. Okay, reading comprehension. Number one, what was the author main purpose in writing this article? The answer is A. To celebrate government success in helping endangered animals. Number two, what is not mentioned as goal of the Endangered Special Act? The answer is D. Developing national parks. Number three, what the most destructive factor for bird eagle populations? The answer is C. The use of DDT. Number four, which is not mentioned as why to prevent unnecessary grizzly bird deaths. The answer is C. Re- Restricting people from entering national parks. Number five, why were so many gray wolves killed before 1973? The answer is A. They had a bad reputation. Number six, which is not true about the three animals highlighted in the article. The answer is D. They are no longer protected by the ESA. Number seven, which statement is the author most likely to agree with? The answer is D. Raising awareness of animal conservation is a very important step. Okay,